This is the situation of the houses around me, the colony. I am on the first floor of my house, and you can see water logging in the entire colony. As far as you can see, there is water and water. On the road it is up to 2 to 3 feet. I'm going on the terrace. This is my terrace, and from the terrace we can see the entire colony is flooded with water. This is on the other side of the colony. So much of water. Here some people are roaming around trying to evacuate the water clogging. This is the front side of the house. One and a half feet of water in front of the house.